Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to make money for free with Whop by clipping. Here's how it works. Step 1. Sign up for a free account on Whop.com. Step 2. After creating a free account, you should see different affiliate programs. Choose one you like, just make sure they have clipping in the title. Step 3. Join their affiliate program for free. This lets you earn commissions by promoting their products without creating anything yourself. Step 4. Create short clips or highlights from the creator's content. Use these clips to promote the product on social media like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. Step 5. Share your Whop affiliate link with the clips. When someone buys using your link, you earn a commission, no upfront cost or risk. Step 6. Keep making and sharing clips to grow your earnings over time. That's it. A free, easy way to start making money with Whop just by clipping. Thanks for listening.